2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300 is a popular sport bike known for its blend of performance, agility, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for both novice riders and experienced motorcyclists. As an upgrade from the Ninja 250R, it boasts improved power and modern styling, positioning itself as a leader in the entry-level sport bike category. Design and aesthetics. The Ninja 300 retains the iconic Ninja design language, featuring sharp lines, aggressive bodywork, and a sleek profile. The bike is available in several vibrant color schemes, enhancing its sporty appearance. It has a compact size, with an overall length of approximately 78.3 inches, a width of 28.7 inches, and a height of 41.3 inches. Its seat height of 30.9 inches makes it accessible for a wide range of riders. Weighing in at around 392 pounds wet, the Ninja 300 is lightweight, which contributes to its agility and ease of handling. Engine and performance. The Ninja 300 is powered by a 296 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine that delivers 39 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 19.2 lb-ft of torque at 10,000 RPM. This engine is known for its smooth power delivery and responsiveness. It features a 6-speed transmission that allows for quick and efficient gear shifts, making it suitable for both city commuting and highway cruising. The Ninja 300 can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.5 seconds, with a top speed of around 115 miles per hour. This performance is impressive for an entry-level bike, providing plenty of excitement without overwhelming new riders. Handling and comfort. The Ninja 300 is equipped with a trellis frame that enhances rigidity while keeping weight low. The front suspension features 41mm telescopic forks, and the rear is fitted with a uni-track monoshock, providing a balanced and responsive ride. It comes with a front dual piston caliper and a single piston caliper in the rear, offering reliable stopping power. The option for ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhances safety, especially for inexperienced riders. The riding position is sporty yet comfortable, with slightly rear-set foot pegs and a relaxed seat height that allows for an upright posture. This balance helps reduce fatigue on longer rides. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the Ninja 300 is its fuel efficiency, achieving around 60 to 70 miles per gallon, depending on riding conditions. This makes it an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance rides. The bike has a fuel tank capacity of 4.5 gallons, providing a good range for extended trips without frequent refueling. Technology and features. The Ninja 300 features an easy-to-read analog tachometer, a digital speedometer, and a fuel gauge, providing all necessary information at a glance. It comes with a bright halogen headlight, LED tail light, and turn signals that enhance visibility and safety while riding. Conclusion. The 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300 stands out as a top choice for beginner and intermediate riders seeking a fun, agile, and reliable sport bike. Its combination of performance, comfort, and modern features makes it an ideal option for those entering the world of motorcycling. Whether navigating city streets or enjoying weekend rides, the Ninja 300 delivers an engaging riding experience that is hard to beat in its class. Final thoughts. The 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300 is more than just a motorcycle. It's an experience that encourages riders to build confidence and enjoy the thrill of the open road. With its attractive styling, robust performance, and user-friendly design, it remains a beloved option in the sport bike community.